Good morning everyone and welcome to a new adventure here in Siargao. Let's go! Good morning everyone! We are heading to the airport now. Actually, medyo malapit na tayo. It's only 7:25 a.m. and we're heading to Terminal 4 because we're flying with Cebu Pacific with Cebgo going to Surigao. That's an alternative option if you want to go to Siargao, pero medyo mas mura yung mga flights. So I'm going to take you with me on this trip. Samahan niyo ako. Let's go! We are inside T4 na and luckily konti lang yung tao kahit today is a Friday. I was expecting na mahaba yung pila pero tignan nyo to. Dito sa may self-check-in, if wala kayong baggage, walang pila. And doon naman sa counter ng Cebu Pacific for baggage, wala rin halos pila. So, i-check-in lang natin yung baggage natin and then let's get inside kasi I wanted to have coffee na. So, tara, let's go. So, print na natin yung baggage tag. So here we now have our boarding pass and yung baggage tag. So punta tayo sa bag drop. Let's go! Hi guys, we're inside now. It's only 8:20 a.m. and our boarding will be at 9:20 a.m. So we still have an hour left para magpahinga dito or kumain and magkape. For myself, I will just have coffee because as we know, T4, expensive yung food dito. So if you're going here, be sure to prepare your budget or punta na lang kayo dito ng busog. While we are waiting, let's talk about our itinerary for today. Like I said earlier, we are going to Siargao via Surigao Airport. So in Surigao del Norte, there are two main airports. Number one is yung Surigao Airport, which is nasa Surigao City, and number two is Sayac Airport, which is also Siargao Airport. Ito naman yung mismong nasa Siargao Island. In my previous trips, sa past 3 trips ko sa Siargao, laging direct flight Manila to Siargao ako kasi it's much easier kasi pagdating doon, pupunta na lang sa hotel. And in this case, hindi ako nakabook ng murang flight to Siargao, so I have to go on an alternative, cheaper option which is in Surigao City. Ang con lang when going here in Surigao City is you still have to ride a ferry or a Roro from Surigao City to Dapa Port, which is located in Siargao. So, yun yung gagawin natin ngayon and samahan niyo ako. This will be exciting and ang maganda dito is mas makakatipid tayo if we choose this option. So, tara, let's go! We're about to take off. It's 10:15 a.m. now. The flight is about 2 hours and 25 minutes according to the pilot. And itutulog ko na lang muna yun. I'll see you guys in Surigao City. Let's go!
For way too long, but I don't wanna come down. Caught up in a long free fall, you got me off of the ground. Sway for a minute, the plane moves side to side.
We're here at Surigao Airport already. Sobrang init pero yung vibes niya Siargao din. Ang na-notice ko is mas malawak yung airport dito and maraming bundok. Sobrang ganda din dito, guys.
High up in the sky, cruising through the night.
That's Surigao Airport, guys. Tara, sakayin tayo ng tricycle going to the port para makabili na rin tayo ng ticket. Although 3 PM pa yung biyahe, bili na tayo kasi baka magkaubusan. And it's my first time kaya hindi pa natin alam yung galawan. So, let's go!
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through
So ito yung schedule ng Surigao from here to Dapa. We just got our ticket. It's only 400 pesos and ang travel time natin is at 3 p.m. Yun na lang yung only option we have. Kasi yun yung last travel from here to Dapa Port. Ang tip ko sa inyo is to research kung ano yung most applicable time for you, kung ano oras kayo dadating ng Surigao Airport, and ano yung best time for you from here to Dapa Port. As of today, ang travel ay earliest ay 6 a.m. and ang latest ay 3 p.m. After noon, tomorrow na kayo makakapag-book ng ferry or Roro papunta ng Siargao Island. So, take note of that. Mag-research muna kayo bago magpunta dito. So, ang gagawin natin next is kakain na muna tayo and explore natin ng konti ang Surigao City. Let's go!
Found my way through the satellite. Ain't the same when I'm on my own. All my friends think I'm somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Found my way through the satellite. Ain't the same when I'm on my own. And it's the end of the night. Feel like you're dodging my eye.
For our lunch, we are here in Feed Me. Dito tayo kakain kasi based on my research, isa to sa mga masarap na kainan dito sa Surigao. Malapit lang siya sa Isle of Surigao na sign and around 5 to 10 minutes biyahe from the pier to here. So tara, pasok na tayo. Ito pala yung airport fit natin, biyahe fit natin kasi I knew na mahaba yung biyahe kaya nagsuot ako ng comfortable, all black tayo, yan. We've settled and we've also ordered already. I got creamy seafood pasta for 280 pesos and also got cafe latte, iced cafe latte for 120 pesos. Pakita ko sa inyo yung menu pero right off the bat, sobrang ganda ng place na to. And if you're here in Surigao City or papunta kayo ng Siargao and may spare time kayo, go here sa Feed Me. Ito yung menu nila. They offer Thai food and also Indian. Thai, Indian, halo-halo. Then yan, mga pika-pika. Actually, most of their food are good for groups. Thank you po. Yan. Even Korean. So it's actually an international. And then pizza. Very wide yung variety ng options nyo. And then for drinks, you have coffee, smoothies, and then cocktails. But it's too early for that. So yan. Food is here. It looks so appetizing. Meron siyang tahong, meron siyang shrimp. It also has squid and then meron ding fish. So it's a variety of a lot of seafood and yung pasta niya is spaghetti pasta. Tapos amoy na amoy yung aroma ng pesto. It smells minty, it smells herby and meron din siyang toast. So tara, kain tayo. Umuusok pa. I like it kasi sobrang fresh, sobrang init niya i-serve. Try naman natin yung coffee. Ito, cafe latte siya na wala pang sweetener. It's good as is. They gave me syrup then and then Splenda. So lagyan natin ng Splenda just to elevate the taste. This is so good, guys. Tikman nga natin ito. Favorite nyo din ba ang tahong? Underrated niya, no? Sobrang mura lang. Abusan ko lang to and then babalikan ko kayo mamaya. Let's go! I just finished eating and sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa food. Simot na simot. And yung coffee, it's also so good. So, if you're passing through Surigao City, don't hesitate na mag-visit dito sa Feed Me. Dito lang siya sa Boulevard. Pwede nyo lakarin or mag-tricycle kayo. Papunta dito from the port. Sobrang sarap ng food. Sobrang ganda ng ambience. Tahimik. Tapos, may view ka ng dagat. Although may gumagawa ngayon ng Boulevard, pero ang ganda ng view mo. And the vibe itself, it's so good here. If I'm here in Surigao, babalikan ko to. Pero for now, punta na tayo ng Siargao Island. Let's go! Guys, before tayo pumunta ng port, nag-visit lang ako dito sa I Love Surigao na sign. Parang masarap tumambay dito kasi marami ring mabibilhan. Yan. Napakatotoo ng statement na to kasi I love Surigao talaga. So, yeah, visit na kayo dito. Tara, punta tayo sa port. Reminder pala guys, bago kayo maka-enter dito, you have to pay terminal fee of 30 pesos. So, take note of that kung nagmamadali kayo. Medyo may pila siya, kaya agahan nyo. We're inside the Fastcraft now. The schedule is on time. First impressions, I wish I booked the business class kasi nasa taas yon, and we're down here, but it's okay. I have a window seat which I totally prefer than any other seats here, and I might just sleep here. At itutulog ko na lang yung biyahe natin padapa kasi kulang rin ako sa tulog, and later I will provide you some more observations and mga comments ko regarding our trip from Surigao City to Dapa. So, good night and I'll see you guys later. After an hour and a half guys, we are now here in Dapa Port. Smooth lang yung biyahe. Pwedeng itulog nyo lang siya. And yung pwesto ko, okay lang naman siya. Pero if may seasickness kayo, hindi ko sure if it's something na comfortable for you. Mag-Bonami na lang kayo. And ayun, from here, pupunta na tayo sa ating resort. In my case, nag-arrange yung accommodation ko, which is Fera Resort ng ride papunta dun sa mismong resort. Pero if magko-commute lang kayo, you can ride a van or a tricycle papunta sa resort or hotel nyo. So yun lang guys, thank you for joining me from Manila to Siargao via Surigao, and welcome to Siargao Island. See ya!